Welcome to the Nico Brothers. I'm Ivan.
And I'm Mike.
Today we're working on the Raptor. We got a lot of stuff to do on it. We're working on the cab. We got to sand it out, strip down, back from the sandblast. We got epoxy on it. So we got to scuff that down, put some primer on it. A lot of little stuff, tedious work, and we're gonna do it. We're gonna get it painted.
Yeah, sorry guys, we haven't posted in a while. We've been on vacation. But now we're back. But now we're back. So we're gonna go at it. We're gonna get that cab ready. So once we do get our parts truck, we can put everything over to that cab. We want to make it nice. We want to make it, you know, back to original OEM spec. Had a little bit of rust on it, so definitely needed some work. But we're gonna make it nice.
Also, we're doing the giveaway. All you have to do is comment Raptor, subscribe, like the video, and follow us on Instagram.
Yeah.
All the info is gonna be in the description below. And let's get to it.
Stay tuned. And I am off to get the front bumper and the back bumper from the sandblasting guy. It took a little longer than the cab, but it's all good. We were busy with other stuff anyway. It's not a problem. So I'll pick that up. Gotta get that primered. Keep going at it.
Alright, Michael picked up the bumpers. They look great. So all I have to do is put some epoxy on it. Goody.
Looking so much better. So now that I got the front painted, I'm gonna wait till tomorrow, flip them over, and paint the inside of it to make sure, you know, nothing rusts or anything like that. We are probably gonna paint them black. I don't know if we're gonna keep them white. We'll see. Depends what Ivan wants, really. But yeah, turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it. Happy we kept them. They're really nice. I mean, these are really custom solid metal front and back bumpers. I mean, if you hit something with this, I feel bad for whatever you hit. It's tough. All right, team, the next day, the primer's already dried on this side. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over so I can primer the back of it and then we'll be ready to go. Alrighty. Next I'm gonna work on the cab. Gotta get this thing sanded down and painted. Get it done. Since I have it all apart right now, I'm gonna go ahead and take the back glass out, some of the air vents, get some stuff taped down. Light right there, get that off. Gotta scuff everything, sand it down a little bit, and get it painted. We could paint it any color we want, but my brother actually really likes the white. It looks really clean, so we're gonna stick with the white, the pearl white. It's gonna look really nice, honestly. So why not? Just go for it. It looks good already, but let's go at it. Got the back glass out, some of the seat belts. I lowered everything, getting ready to paint. Just gotta go around and scuff it all. A lot of work to do, but it's coming along. Get this thing all pretty. Scuff everything, wash it, and get it painted.
Alright guys, we got the cab painted last night. It turned out great. I'm super happy about it. It was a pain in the butt though. It was really hard to get it on top, not to get the hose on the other paint. It took a lot longer than I thought, but it turned out great. And you guys will never guess this color. It's a factory Ford color. It is a tri-coat, so it's paint and then pearl and then some other color, or paint, clear. But I love this color. It's one of my favorites. It's got a lot of little sparkle in it and everything like that. Super nice.
You can see it in the camera or not, but yeah, it's a lot of pearl. It's amazing. It looks great. The bottom turned out nice, that texture.
Oh yeah, super happy. So we're gonna let it sit. We actually did buy a parts truck. It's gonna come in soon, so it'll be a lot easier to get everything over. And it's a little bit, you'll see. It's pretty cool. You'll see the parts truck. Hopefully, I think by Friday or some day it's gonna come in. We're super excited about it. But let's go in the office and let's pick the giveaway.
Alright guys, it's time to find our winners for the giveaway. I know it's your favorite time. It's your chance to win, chance for us to give you something. Let's see what happens. Alright, load the comments. Here we go. I love this program, by the way. It's fantastic. So much easier than counting.
How many comments do we have, Michael?
950 comments. Wow. Wow, that's really good.
That's awesome, guys.
All right, let's randomly pick our winner for the first giveaway. 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go. Brighton Sanchez, Comment Raptor. Congratulations, you're a winner. That's all you needed to do. And I hope you're subscribed. We'll check that out later, but all right, let's see our second winner. Not salvaged. Congratulations, you won as well. You commented Raptor. Nice. Our third winner is going to be Keith Blessing, F150 Raptor. Congratulations, you won as well. And let's find our last winner, because I think we're doing 4 this time. So, random winner picker. Here we go. Can't wait to see it completed. Jerry Howard said, I always wanted to shop like this. I love a lot of cars.
But he has 2 comments.
Man. But he didn't comment Raptor. Sorry, Jerry.
Let's pick again.
Sorry, bud. We love your comments. We really appreciate it. Just make sure to throw in Raptor somewhere in there. That's just the standard. Here we go.
Also, guys, don't forget, you guys can still win another one.
Yeah, make sure to comment Raptor in the bottom, be subscribed, like us.
And follow us on Instagram.
There we go. All right, so our last winner is Wade Gaberry. Commented Raptor, exclamation point, perfect. Sounds
right,
good,
guys. We'll see you on the next one.
But make sure you email us your information and we'll get in contact with you. But if you don't get a hold of us, I mean, we've only got a such time limit that it's gonna expire, you know, guys. So if you want the sign, go ahead and email us or message us, contact us, and we'll get your information, send it out to you.